It's moving day! Woo! Wow, it's such a beautiful day. Whew. Y'all, this is my new place. It's semi-empty because, you know, I have a very big family, and so we're all here rolling deep, okay? And we are ready to move in. So this is probably as empty as it's going to get, y'all. This is like my living room slash office space, all into one. The lighting in here is bananas. Okay, let's go into the kitchen. This is what's going on right now. Obviously we don't have anything in here. This is probably like the most low-key empty apartment tour we will be doing. Shabon't. My bathroom is humongous. Look, guys. What? Hello? I have some peekers back there. It's huge. I'm gonna be doing like tutorials in there. And this is my room. We have a little air mattress here already. Woo! But this is my room. I'm probably making you guys super dizzy. Closet, window, laundry room here. But I'm probably just gonna make this into something else, honestly, because I'm probably gonna do laundry in my oh my God, I almost said in my man's house. What? In my mom's house. Really? I have this attic space, y'all, that I am going to be probably filming it here. Like, it's humongous. I know the lighting is weird, but this is the attic space, y'all. Okay, this is gonna be super transformed. Whew, I'm out of breath. Oh yeah, we do have a little situation in here. Little closet in the living room. Wow. This is my own place. Oh my God. Y'all, God is so good and faithful, all right? I'm not gonna cry. Oh my God! All right, let's get to cleaning this place, because, you know, you gotta do another, like, run through, clean through, so. Wow. It is the end of the day, and I just purchased this this new, like, I think it's called Joby tripod thing, but this really is good for when you're out and about. Wow, my hair looks like it's carrying something. But I was trying to find my other tripod real quick. Y'all know when y'all move, it just be like all over the place. But we are, you know, we settled in, or I should say my family helped me settle in, and they're all gone now. I am all by myself. I have no, like, real furniture yet, but the plan is to have this as the living room space, and then this as like the office space. So right now I have my mini office, I should say my mini desk right here. And I just wanted to sit down for a second. And of course, like, I'll show you guys once I actually, like, decorate, like, how that's going to look. But let's see what, oh, here we go. This is good, this is good. I put, of course, some fresh sunflowers, because, I mean, come on. It wouldn't be me if I didn't, right? So, here we are. But today has been crazy. I know this vlog is probably gonna be like super short because I really just wanted to do a really quick empty apartment tour before I get all of my new furniture. Oh my god, my hair is like literally falling apart. Oh my gosh, let's just leave it like that. And yeah, so my new furniture actually isn't going to be in for a few weeks, so I kind of have to just finesse this right now in the way that it is. But I really wanted to take you guys along for the journey. This happened really fast, but it was literally God's timing. And I'm going to do a separate video about this place. It'll actually probably already be out before this video. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys my space when it is all furnished and all cute, and I could do like a decor video finally, you know, so you guys can kind of really see what my lifestyle like or I should say like my home style decor is, because I've always just kind of like floated around and adapted to whatever style of home I was in. And you know, all I could really decorate was the room and the space that I was in, which is totally fine when you're like a little nomad like I was. But I feel like this is going to be such a great space. And so what I'm about to do right now is take some really special anointed oil, and I'm about to go ham and pray for this place and the things that will be birthed out of being in this space for however long God has me here. The funny thing is, I feel like this is a very important space for me, but I also feel like I'm not going to be here longer than a year or so. I don't know why, I just felt that way, but it's going to be such a vital piece of or time in my life, and I'm really excited about that. I'm excited that I get to have this space and time, and that it gets to be just God and me, like just us alone. And of course my home is open to my friends and family and stuff like that, but I think the beauty of all of this is that he's really showing out, and I'm really walking in a trust that I have I don't think I've ever experienced before, because this is like a new level of trust. So I think this video is super short, not sure, but I hope that you guys enjoyed the empty apartment tour. It's just me, this chair, and some things now in here. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys how it actually develops. And hopefully by now you guys already know the testimony of this place. God is so good, y'all. He does not waste anything. Nothing. So I'll see you guys in my next video.